The journey to your dream Fiji wedding begins with a crucial step: setting a realistic budget. Determine what you can afford, factoring in travel, accommodation, ceremony, reception, and those little extras that make your day special. A clear budget is your roadmap to a magical yet financially responsible celebration. Timing is everything. Fiji's weather is delightful year-round, but you'll find the best deals during the off-peak season. Skip the crowds and high costs of the July to September peak, and say "I do" when the prices take a dip. An intimate guest list is your golden ticket to savings. Invite only your nearest and dearest to keep costs down and the atmosphere personal. Fewer guests mean less spent on catering and venues, and more on creating memories with those who matter most. Fiji's resorts are treasure troves of value with their all-inclusive wedding packages. Ceremony venue, catering, decorations, and sometimes even photography and entertainment are bundled into one cost-effective price. It's savings made simple. Beyond the beaches, Fiji's gardens, waterfalls, and traditional villages offer unique and affordable ceremony spots. Embrace the unconventional and save a bundle. Roll up your sleeves for some DIY magic. Handcrafting decor and wedding favors not only cuts costs, but also adds a personal touch. Get your bridal party involved for a fun and thrifty pre-wedding activity. Feast on Fiji's flavors without the hefty price tag. Local dishes bring authenticity to your table and keep your wallet happy. Consider buffet-style dining for an economical yet hearty meal. Let Fiji's natural splendor shine. Minimalist decor complements the tropical beauty without draining your funds. Simple elegance can be just as stunning as lavish adornments. Celebrate with Fiji's own musicians, dancers, and artists. Hiring local talent is not only cost-effective, but also enriches your wedding with genuine Fijian culture. Local photographers and videographers offer quality services at a fraction of the cost. Do your research, check portfolios, and capture your day beautifully without the premium price. Group discounts and package deals are your allies in reducing travel and accommodation expenses. Airlines and resorts often provide special rates for weddings, so don't miss out on these savings. The early planner catches the best deals. Start your wedding prep in advance to have ample time for research and negotiation. Vendors are often open to discounts and customized packages, so don't shy away from asking. Fiji's exotic flowers are not only stunning, but also economical. Embrace the local flora to enhance your decor and support the community. Weekday weddings come with a bonus: lower rates. With most Fiji weddings happening on weekends, choosing a weekday can lead to significant savings. Decide what's most important for your big day and allocate your budget accordingly. Splurge on what you cherish and economize on the rest. Remember, a budget-friendly wedding in Fiji doesn't mean skimping on romance or quality. It's about smart planning, creative solutions, and embracing the natural beauty and hospitality of this tropical paradise. Your dream wedding is within reach, and it will be a day to remember forever. For more assistance with planning your Fiji wedding, or to explore additional destination wedding options, contact Far and Away Adventures. Our team is dedicated to crafting your perfect wedding experience. Start planning your dream Fiji wedding on a budget with us today. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.